Hello everybody, today we are going to solve some exercises. Number 1, the ratio is a way of comparing between two quantities by division. B. In the ratio 9/4, the first term is 9 and the second term is 4. C. 2/3 to 5/4. We will write 2/3 times 4/5. 2 times 4 equal 8 and 3 times 5 equal 15. So the answer is 8 to 15. D. 5 to 5/4. We will write 5/1 times 4/5 equals 4. Number 2, a school has 200 pupils. If 80 pupils of them are girls, find the ratio between the number of boys and the number of girls. We need the number of boys, so the number of boys equals 200 minus 80 equals 120. Next step, we will write number of boys to number of girls. 120 to 80 divided 40 equal 3 to 2. Number 3, if the sum of two amounts of money is 1,800 and the ratio between the two amounts is 2 to 7, find each of the two amounts. We will write first amount to second amount to sum, and we will write 2 to 7 to 9, and we will write x to y to 1,800. X equals 2 times 1,800 divided 9 equals 400, and y equals 7 times 1,800 divided 9 equal 1,400. Number 4, find each of the following ratios in its simplest. A. 6 days to 2 weeks. In ratio, the two terms should have same units, and week has 7 days, so 2 weeks has 14 days. So we will write 6 to 14 and divided 2 equals 3 to 7. B. 5 decimeter to 5 meter. Meter has 10 decimeter, so 5 meter have 50. So we will write 5 to 50 and divided 5 equals 1 to 10. C. 5 kilogram to 800 gram. Kilogram has 1,000 gram, so we will write 5,000 to 800. Cancel 2 0 with 2 0 and divided 2 equal 25 to 4. Thank you.